Hey guys, so today we're going to be attempting to season chicken, and it's a cooking competition.
Whoever wins gets a prize.
Okay, so we're gonna be getting out seasonings. So I'm putting a little bit of garlic in my chicken.
Cayenne pepper.
I'm gonna be doing a tiny bit of pepper here. And then some salt.
Chili powder. Oh boy.
I'm gonna use some chipotle.
I'm gonna try paprika.
Chipotle.
Oh.
Doesn't really look like some good chicken though. Yours is just red. Now I'm gonna be mixing my chicken.
Yeah, I'll try ranch.
Oh yeah.
Doing ranch too. Pepper.
Then a tiny bit more. My gloves on, and then I'm gonna mix.
I'm also gonna mix right after I do garlic.
I'm gonna be mixing my chicken here.
I'm also mixing mine. Hopefully it tastes good after we cook it.
I'm
Good.
Ooh, it's gonna taste good. Tastes good.
Okay, I'm all done with that. So now
I'm gonna be
also
cooking.
cooking.
We're both gonna be cooking our chicken. See, you guys can smell it.
Open this. Now we're gonna put it in.
My chicken. I haven't cooked it yet, but I will. It's gonna taste.
Ooh, that season. That's a little chicken. Okay, this is what I made. It's a bit of garlic, cayenne pepper, paprika, chili powder, and ranch.
All right, we'll see how it tastes.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be cooking mine. It's so good.
What's your favorite food?
Mine right now, I have a lot, so I don't really know. And my favorite vegetable is actually broccoli. Yeah, what's yours? Text it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now we're gonna be flipping this. Guess what my favorite color is? Green! It's done now, guys. So I'm gonna put the burner off. We're gonna do some taste testing. Look at my chicken. It's good, right? Do some taste test. See, that's my chicken dish. So we're ready now, and the judge is gonna come in and taste them.
2 pieces of chicken here. Let's see what we got here. Hey, have you guys ever done a thing like this before?
No, we just started doing this.
All right, let's cut into this.
Subscribe and comment down below, and
Hit that
Ask-
notification bell. So he's trying it now. What do you
Okay.
think?
Doesn't have tons of flavor, but it's still good. Okay. I think it's lacking maybe a little bit of salt, a little bit of flavor. There a little bit, but it's done well. It's beautifully cooked. And now I'm gonna try the second one. Like that crisp on the corner there. This one's a little oily. I think the cook who did this one put a little bit too much oil in, but I think the one I like the most, probably number 2. So the cook who cooked number 2, who's that?
Me.
Asher.
All right, Asher. Now, he's been helping me cook here and there. Liam hasn't done very much cooking with me, but Asher knows I like a ton of seasoning.
Yeah.
And
I put a ton of garlic.
that's
and only a tiny bit of pepper.
yep. Hey, this is the first test we've done.
And I mixed it.
So what do you guys think? You had fun?
Yeah.
You gonna do
that's
it?
fun.
This is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
What do you think? You gonna do it? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
soon? All right. Hey, comment down below what food you want us to do. What food you want them to try. You can pick anything. We'll try to make anything. So what do you guys gotta say?
Bye. Thanks for watching.
So hit that notification bell.
Bye.